What's up, guys? Welcome back. So pretty much we're gonna be heading out to a meet that Bang Bros and Fiddle Fam are hosting in Rancho Cucamonga. So figured I'd do something a little bit different. I just been waiting for parts for the EK sedan, which have arrived, so hopefully things can start going as planned. I also got some work I need to do to my truck because a company sent out some stuff that they want me to install on it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that here within the next couple of weeks or so, or a week or so, depending on when you guys see this. But we do got the right-hand drive warming up right now. My wife was actually supposed to be going with us, but she decided not to last minute. She was just too tired. So yeah, let's go ahead and head over there, see what this meet is about, and see what kind of cars we see. What's up, guys? So we just got back now. We're here at the meet. Let's go check out some cars. This shit is bad right here. Mugen DA, Mugen kit, side skirts, Mugen M7 wheels, Mugen front lip. This is an old school build. I believe this car was actually built in the late 90s, early 2000s. You guys have probably already seen it around, but it's good to see this car out. This looks so good with the color. And you got another Jasper green DA. I believe it's like 92, 93 on some Racing Heart. It's clean. Yes, hatchback. SIR interior.
That's the pinstripe. Black one, the pinstripes like that. Oh yeah. Down here. From the dealer. Is this almost wing?
Yeah. Now this shit makes me miss my wagon.
Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, I need that cup holder. I'll be
Crazy to see the south side wing. It's just bad.
I don't like it.
I don't like that big ass one, bro. This one right here? The homie Jesse Lokes. Right hand drive. It's just dope. Cute little setup. And you got the famoso.
Well, let's pretend it would have been a double. Let's pretend it was a double, right?
Dope little EG. Rega Masters. No, this one right here. This one right here is fucking fire. Look at this. Throw some RGs on the build. What do you guys think? These go stupid hard. I love these wheels. Anybody have a set for sale? Cheap? Let me know.
You're on 15 to 16 to 16. But you're on a 40 or 45? They say that some 15s, but no one answer online about them.
Then you got the Famoso over there.
Maybe like
Eric.
Probably that's about it. I think T's and maybe.
The dope wheel setup.
Maybe CEs too. They got a lot of publicity back there. They have some cable.
Another dope ass wheel. Work RSZR, I believe it is. If anybody has a set of these, let me know. 16s preferably. I want to try to switch it up, have different wheels for the EK build, as I want to try to raise it up a little bit. Looks like the wagons came out to play today. You got 64 Steve with his supercharged single cam, fully chromed out single cam, and this one is on actually hydraulics. See the switches there. Two pump.
So, Buster,
Whatever.
how you doing?
Good. So good. This belongs to A.O. Mark, the homie. Clean.
I always ask.
Then you got the homie Boyle and his Ferio, 5-lug conversion, endless brakes, the Recaro in it. And you got Allen those Civic full-on kit. I think it's a secret kit if I'm not mistaken. It actually does track this. And you got the Homeboy Monstros EK hatch. Yeah. 16C 28s. Then you got the homie Edwin's EK sedan build. It's just clean. I'll always love the color yellow, but I can't pull the trigger on one. He actually works at HMO. If you guys know already, you guys know. Pretty dope Recaros. It goes hard. Now this shit goes hard. Purple E30 on some gray BBS RS's. Hey Wes, this boy's topping you out, bro. I'm sorry to say it, but this shit goes hard, bro. The purple on it with the honey mustard, I believe, or peanut butter interior. That shit is dope. You got some competition, Wes. 4 G's for one of the supercharged kits. But everybody goes with Merc. It's just clean. Fitment is fucking tight. This shit is fucking bad, bro. These are crazy rare spec wheels. You have Chris's EG SIR from Throttle that used to belong to Throttle.
Hey, this color on a four-door? I guess I gotta do it since you did the wagon. I got still an idea. I just still an idea.
This is bad, dude. Dude's name is on Instagram on Camille J. He even modded the Ferio wing to fit the back of the trunk. So if you guys don't know, the Ferio wing from the EG sedan in Japan fits the coupe with a little bit of modification. It's very clean, especially the color of it.
Like $100 for fucking 3 volts.
It's crazy. That's cool. They still have those bounce.
Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, pretty much a lot of dope cars. Probably some cars you guys have already seen before, but nonetheless it's still some dope builds. A lot of time, money, as you guys already know, go into these cars, and not everybody can build something really clean, and there's a lot of clean cars here. There's a lot of other vehicles, such as you've seen EF Chris's new pickup from that used to belong to Throttle. Another gentleman, Garrett, he's usually on the program on the YouTube channel of DDE, Daily Driven Exotics. He actually purchased it from Throttle when they had it for sale, and he just couldn't keep it anymore. Some issues arose, and so he decided to go ahead and sell it, and EF Chris was actually the lucky person to pick it up. He actually did his own little thing to it, as you guys already seen, with some rare offset CPR wheels, Sprint Hearts, and they look dope. But yeah, pretty much guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We're gonna go ahead and head back home and see if we can get some work done on the EK sedan, because we do got a lot of parts that actually arrived, and we'll see what we got. But before we get any really work done, done to the EK sedan. We actually have to pretty much start doing a little bit of work to my Tundra because a company reached out, wanted to do a little collab. So we're gonna go ahead and do that hopefully on the next video. I'm not sure if it'll be out by then, but we'll see what we get done. Hopefully we can make a little bit of progress on these cars. And we also got to make a trip to the junkyard again because I need one more piece to be able to find so that we can finalize the AC on the car. So yeah, with that being said, we'll see you guys at home.
What we do here is go back.